What a night.
Michael,
You didn't tell me I'm going to sit. I'm too old for this. I didn't tell me I'm going to sit here up to 4 o'clock in the morning.
I am so tired, and the excitement. I mean, we're still awake.
Did you know that we have to count one by one all these videos from 11,000 community? I didn't know that. I mean, it's fantastic. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. We are waiting until now from the Guinness World Record to come up with the result. I think we are ready. That's the communication we got. Me and Zido haven't slept all night. That's why we are wearing our sunglasses. I mean,
and a lot of coffee.
We look like the Blues Brothers, but I think it will be worth it. First of all, one more time again, I think we need to tell you really, really a big thank you. And you know, when we finished the show, we did not expect all this incredible participation from all around the world. I did not expect to stay up to 4 o'clock in the morning with you.
Me neither. And when we were watching only the comments you were getting during the show, I mean, it didn't stop. Hearts, text from all around the world.
Everybody.
It was big.
Everybody's sending messages. Even now, 4 o'clock in the morning, we get messages from all around the world. Did you make the record? Did you make the record? We didn't want to wait until tomorrow. We stayed up all night. And somebody else stayed with us up all night. Yes. We have to say that.
Yes.
And we have to thank her for that.
Yeah.
But I think it's time, at 4 o'clock, tonight, here in Germany, Sophia, please welcome us. And we are looking forward. I mean, we are looking with a coffee. I'm sorry for that, but it's a little bit late.
Okay.
We are looking forward for you to announce to us, did we make it or didn't we make it?
Okay, so first of all, I want to say thank you so much for having me here. It's been such a pleasure to join you all in this brilliant, brilliant record attempt. The evidence has been lengthy. We've been reviewing all the videos that
quite lengthy.
Yeah.
Was very exciting.
Yep. So but for the official part, I do have the results.
Oh my God.
Thermomix and Bimby community, you attempted the Guinness World Records title for the most videos of people cooking uploaded to Facebook in 1 hour. I can now tell you that your attempt was successful.
Yeah!
Congratulations!
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thank you for staying
You are officially amazing.
Sophia, we are so proud. Thank you for giving us
this
My pleasure.
record. Oh my God, I don't think you can.
We have it.
We have it.
We have it.
We've been waiting all night. It was worth it because you deserve it. All of you deserve it. Like Thomas Stockwell said, we are here to try to serve you the best way we can because you are our jewels. You deserve it, and we will send it to every market. To
everyone should see this.
Of the 11,000 people who participated today, we are so proud. You are the best. We love you. What can I say, Sophia?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You.
And let's
guys,
get some
congratulations!